how to send photos as documents in WhatsApp and iPhone. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Well, why do you even want to send photos as a document in WhatsApp? Well, that's because if you send it via a document, it will not lose any quality whatsoever, because WhatsApp tends to kind of like ruin the quality of pictures and videos. So how can you actually do this? Well, you want to go ahead and go to your Photos app and choose any photo that you would like to send. So select that one and then click on the share button in the bottom left corner. Then you want to scroll a bit down, and then here in the middle, it kind of says save to files. So click on there. And then here you want to save it anywhere you really want in your files, just as long as you can easily access this. So I'm going to click on save. And now I have done that. I'm going to go ahead and go back to WhatsApp. So now that I'm back in WhatsApp, what I want to do is simply click on the plus icon in the bottom left corner. Then here I want to click on document. This will open up my documents, as you can see. And then right over here, you can see that photo that we have just saved in here. And you want to simply click on open. And then it says preparing media. Then you want to click on send. And there you go. We have now sent this picture. So now when we click on it, you can see that it is actually in perfect quality, still quite clear. And yeah, so that is basically it. That's how to send photos as document in WhatsApp in iPhone. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.